Kev G weather overview. How's it going, everybody? Well, we're heading into Christmas week, the first days of official winter. We had the start of meteorological winter on December 1st, and now it's winter solstice time as we pass the solstice tonight, and the days will actually gradually get longer from here on out. And for people who are lucky enough to have off this week, the weather looks spectacular by winter standards. Our temperatures are going to be very reasonable. So if you're out and about traveling from here to there and everywhere, look for fair skies and temperatures that are above normal for this time of year. So for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, really looks like a beauty out there as far as what it could be. If you recall, 2010, one of my favorite storms, it was frigid on Christmas Day, and then the 26th, we had the holiday blizzard. Let's hear it for the holiday blizzard. Yet nothing like that this year. In fact, when you listen to all the Christmas carols that are out there, they talk about Christmas, always bad weather surrounding Christmas. White Christmas, cold Christmas, blue Christmas. Well, this year it is a clear Christmas across the tri-state area. So this is Noah. Like them on Facebook and Twitter. Now for the day-to-day, it's really interesting off the GFS because this is one Monday's weather map. And aside for the rainstorm that's over the southeast part of the United States and some snow up in northeast Canada, there's nothing going on. We have a very tranquil weather map, and this is basically a winter interlude as far as I'm concerned because, we've had these cold temperatures the last couple of days. Now we're going to see this relenting of these conditions. We're going to have temperatures that are on the upside of things over the next 5 to 7 days, and then we kind of wait to see what Mother Nature has in store. So this is late into Christmas Day, and we have a very tranquil weather map. Hardly anything going on. That storm has dissipated off the southeast coast. We have temperatures in the 40s here to near 50 in some spots. And as we go in time, not much really happens across much of the lower 48 states as we go into Friday. There's a weak frontal boundary, but the primary low pressure is way, way off to the north in Canada, so that's not going to really do much. In fact, we may have a scattered shower or two coming through here on Friday night and Saturday, but that just about does it. And then a new storm starts to form in Texas and Oklahoma, and that starts to come out for late in the weekend, and that will probably deliver rain sometime late this coming weekend into Monday the 30th. But we got to wait until then for any substantial precipitation, and it's likely to be in the form of liquid, and then it looks like it turns chilly for New Year's Eve into New Year's Day. Now, when we look at the long range off the European, this is all courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. This is for Monday, December 30th, and the overall pattern does change around a little bit. It's more dynamic. There's more going on. We're losing this kind of relaxation that we've had for Christmas week, and now we step into the new year, and the pattern gets a little bit more interesting as far as wintry weather is concerned because we have a lot of high pressure that's way off to the north, and that's sort of going to be blocking things up a little bit, and storms are going to run underneath with two active jet streams. You've got one to the north, one to the south, and the southern jet stream brings the storms. So the question in the long term is, are we going to see this active pattern collide in such a way to bring us more wintry weather as we approach and go into the new year? But until then, it looks like a very tranquil weather pattern and reasonable temperatures to go along with it as we go into Christmas week, as we head towards the end of 2019.